the biggest reason that I feel that this is so important for you guys to understand is that just in the last few months I've been able to lose nearly 30 pounds. And before this, I was never really able to do that. I've had a lot of things that I've tried, and really without any much success, and I was very frustrated. But with the fat burning furnace, I've been able to be able to use a program of short bursts of intense exercises. I do them a few times a week. It doesn't take a lot of time, and the best thing of all is that it really is good for those with a past of unhealthy eating habits and a lack of exercise like me. You know, the years of being in an office and a cube have really set in on me, and it was really time to do something about it. I tried many things before, and finally I've had some success. I've had success with the fat burning furnace, and I know you'll be able to check it out and try it out yourself. They're accredited with the Better Business Bureau. They have a lot of good backing behind them, and I think you'll be very, very happy with what has happened here. I know it's done fantastic for me, and I'm sure it'll do the same for you. All the information is there, shows you everything that you need to know.